I wanted to share a very simple workflow that can make a big impact to operations between marketing and sales. And the issue that I've run into time and time again is field values not syncing between two systems or not meeting whatever the business criteria is. And the biggest problems out there are typically around the state value and the country value. So different systems provide different things. They can provide codes, they could provide the full name, or sometimes it can just be an open string that a person types in, and you hope for the best that they provide you exactly what you need in order to fit into like routing rules and to allow sales to basically follow up quickly. So instead of leaning on a bunch of logic where you're listening for all these tiny little misspellings and you're constantly, troubleshooting why something isn't syncing correctly, you can build a very simple workflow that is essentially 5 steps, right? So a lead is created. You could do created or updated. You're getting the record, you're pulling the information from Salesforce. You're then sending that information into AI. So it's a way that you can incorporate AI into your automations in a very simple and narrowly focused way. So I am providing the state value, the country value that's in Salesforce to AI. I'm saying, hey, look, review this, correct it, put it into full state, full country name. And then if you cannot infer what the value should be, the fallback value should be unknown. So then, you can do something special with those. And then I'm updating the record within Salesforce with those values too. So to see this in action, I've started to create a record here within Salesforce. I'm going to just put in bad information. I'm going to do from Michigan. So I'm going to do MII. And then for country code, I'm going to do USA. So the first value, MII, is both misspelt and a country code. And then the country down here, I guess there's wonky capitalization, and I did USA. It should be United States of America or United States. So I'm going to just go ahead and save this. And because I just created a new lead record, it's going to kick off my automation. It's going to process the record, and then it is going to fix the state value. So here's my record. The intake was MII, the country value is USA. It then is correcting the program to Michigan, United States of America, and then it's updated and it cleaned the record. So if I just refresh this lead, it should all now follow complete business processes. So here we go. It says Michigan, it says United States. And then you would additionally be able to tell AI for certain countries or values, use one preferred full name versus another preferred full name if you wanted to. But it's a very simple way to incorporate AI into automations to keep the leads flowing and to keep sales follow-up happening quickly.